Blessed day po mga kapatid. I just want to remind you na kapag hinawakan ng Diyos ang anumang circumstance ng iyong buhay, alam kong nagre-recover ka pa lang sa bagyo, alam kong nagre-recover ka pa lang sa loss, at alam kong nagre-recover ka pa lang sa matinding pinagdaanan ng inyong pamilya. But let me tell you this, when spit happens, that you will realize that nothing shall be impossible with the Lord. Sometimes you have to endure those pain, but even when you go through the fire, ang pangako ng Panginoon, you will not be burned. That even when you go through the water, you will not be drowned. That even when you go through the things, He never leave or nor forsake you. God is able. And guess what? God is willing. But even He doesn't do it for us, naniniwala tayo na ang Diyos natin is not just a God of miracle. Ang miracle, hindi lang gumaling ka. Yung hindi ka nagkasakit, miracle din yun ng ating Panginoon. That He sustain you through and through. And He is able to do immeasurably above and beyond what could you think and imagine.